Hello, it's Krista, and we're back in the kingdom. So, let's get our happiness for today. Ha, brings us up to 99 of, I can't remember exactly the level. I'm gonna watch the video real quick, and I'll get it a little higher. Okay, so I was able to watch the video. Now I got a couple more happiness going out, and we're into joyous. So, got Goofy, Mickey, and Mike Wazowski for happiness. But let's get our... Oh, the Lion King is back. Anyways, chest one, well, the bronze one. We got magic, then the silver chest. We got Pumpkin, Aladdin, and Wreck-It Ralph. Okay. So, Mickey. Oh, Firecracker. That was a tiger, Firecracker. That was another tiger. Oh, cool. We got enough of those for Gus. Daisy, where have you been? I've been waiting for you at the diner for hours. Oh no, I hope you didn't get bored. Nah, I just practiced flipping the perfect omelet. By the 500th egg, I think I got it. Quest complete. Embrace the new part 1. This new kingdom is crazy. It used to only take me 400 eggs. Okay, Donald. Oh yeah, I leveled up the tavern. So Tortuga Tavern has reached the first enchantment. So now it will help with Will Turner. So many things are different. This hardly looks like my old kingdom at all. If I was confused, imagine how all our friends must feel. I'd better tell them about the changes. Then Donald to warn friends about changes. Okay. That will be an hour. I probably should have done the other one, but let's get Mickey going for that. Where's the one for Goofy, though? There it is. Okay. Work on here. Still working on those. Still working on those. There's only 2, so where'd the other one go? Oh, Toy Story. Okay, I'll add Cinderella back on. Okay, so that's 4,000 now. And, yep, that's what I thought, that he wasn't quite ready yet. So, got another. There we go. Oh, I got it. Oh wait, I think there was, yep. Okay, let's just follow these so that I have to keep skipping around everywhere. Oh, Mama Coco is ready. We got another shoe. I'd really like to get Pascal's tokens so that bring him in, because I think he's the one that's been there the longest. A couple more firecrackers. Okay, so there's another one. Let's see. We got one left. It's hiding. Yep. There we go. Okay, so I got the firecrackers. Okay, so I need about 10 more if I'm gonna reach the next milestone. Oh, Minnie Mouse. I didn't know Minnie Mouse was working on... Oh, with her Halloween costume, she can work on that now. Okay, that sounds good. And Daisy. Oh. Let's, I'll do this one. First, they're working on Donald. I'm working on that one. Peep. Buzz. And Sarge and Rex are working on that one. Still working on trying to get the ears hats for Nick Wilde. So, got all these. She's working on Mother Gothel. Oh, 40 seconds. Okay. Almost done. There we go. Okay, they can keep working on him. Yeah. Flynn is helping with everyone. Well, he can help with everyone. But I'm trying to get him to do Pascal's ears hats the most. I don't think I can level him up yet. So, well, Sneezy has to be level 4? Oh. Oh. Oh no, he's already working on something. Okay. There we go. And working. I think they're still working on Vanellope. Oh. And then, so a bunch of these guys are just working on the Kyber crystals again, because it looks like we got the tokens that we needed for them. Okay. And yes, I'm doing the longer tasks because it allows for more magic. Because I don't check it as often as I would like. But let's do Merlin's Gathering spell. And I'll double check the firecrackers. Not quite sure if I finished all of them. I might have. Yeah, I think I did finish them, but I'll just double check just to make sure. Yeah, there are 0 currently in the kingdom. So, yeah, so Huey, need 20 of everything for him. Then Pascal. Oh, only 3 more ears hats. Okay, and they're both working on that. And then Bullseye. 12 of 30, 13 of 30. Okay, see, he's coming along pretty well. And then let's see, Nick Wilde. 14 of 20. You know, these are very difficult to get, and I have a bunch of people working on them. What is, oh, Daisy needs to be level 9. Oh, well, if I had been constantly leveling up, then it might be there. But, not currently. There we go. I get that happiness. Oh, and I guess we got 2 chests. I'm them somewhere. Aladdin, Machiavelli, Uncommon. Then of course they're not down here. So let's go in the back now, because now they like showing up back here. Got to the point where back likes get chests as well. It's only been this last week. I got rose bush and a rose tree. Huh. So, but wait. Oh, I can level up. What's going on? Okay. Yeah, I'll level you up. That'll be fine. So that will help with some stuff. And yeah, so that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!